We're here tonight releasing the first episode of the docuseries named Treat Me Like a Woman. The idea of the documentary came from how can we incorporate the real people that are experiencing the disparities of healthcare, the neglect in the healthcare system. Who is better to speak than these women that are experiencing firsthand?
When I was 44, I saw 3 different doctors. I actually collapsed in a dressing room and they still sent me home. And I had 1 coronary artery. And so finally I went to the other doctor that Nitza Alvarez talked about, Dr. Legato. And when they did the catheterization, they said, "Oh, cool." I said, "What does that mean?" And they said, "Well, we've never seen this before." But yet I saw 3 other cardiologists that said I was fine.
Women's heart health advocate, the one and the only Dr. Nitza Alvarez.
One night you're going to have that pain, and you're going to say to yourself, is it gas or is it a heart attack? And don't feel funny about going to the emergency room because of it. That's what I hope we get to take away. I immediately called 911. I didn't feel funny about it. I didn't feel like I wasted everybody's time. It was my health that was at stake here.
Dr. Alvarez. She's my cardiologist. Like this calcium score that she mentioned, never heard such a thing. And my score was horrible. My wife's was not as bad as mine, but we both had cardiovascular disease, found out by Dr. Alvarez, and we both had cardiac caths done by her, and we both had bypass surgery. So she's basically taken care of us over the last 3 years.
I feel that it's my responsibility as a cardiologist in the community and in this country to speak for those women that are no longer here, the one that didn't know better, the one that didn't know that they were suffering a cardiac condition and died as a consequence of that. For them, for my mother, for the sisters, for the friends, I'm here for them.
To be a part of this is absolutely wonderful. I'm actually inviting my friends over because I think it's important that they see it and that they understand that this affects every woman and people in general, it does.
If I was going to say something to Dr. Alvarez, what would I say? I would say thank you. Thank you for making me aware of what I got to do, and don't be intimidated by any other doctor that says, "Oh, it's nothing." You fight for your health.
What I want them to take away from tonight's event is 3 major things. Number 1, continue to be aware that women are different when it comes to heart disease. Number 2, speak up. Don't stop expressing how you feel until you have a good answer to what is happening. And number 3, don't wait until you're sick to seek medical attention. Get checked, because heart disease is our number 1 killer, and sometimes it doesn't make any noise.